Hi everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel once again. And please, if you have not subscribed, please kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe. Thank you so much. Okay, so today this is a sneaker and a little purse that came in for revamp, and as usual I start by showing you what it looks like before I start to even detach them. And then yeah, this is the material we'll be using for it. And the purse is very easy because it was a flat purse. You can see there are no sides on the purse. That's how it was, very flat, though I later added sides to it, which I'll tell you how I got that. So I detached this. I wrapped, I gummed, and then I wrapped it back. Of course, I have to remove every accessory that comes with it, so I put them back neatly. So for the magnetic snap that you see there, it was removed. After I wrapped, I put it back so it looks very neat. And this purse had no side, so I had to measure. I measured the sides in a triangular form, and I added it to it. For the sneaker, yeah, I also opened everything, but I do not have to remove this, so just use a razor to open it up, and this is the final outcome. And of course, I use different types of gum that makes the work very strong. So the person I work for, I do this work for, won't be scared of let's say rain beat you and your slippers or sandals or bag got open. No, it has never happened because I get to use like 4 or 5 different types of gums. First of all, I mix my main gum together, and then I use this shoe gum that is very hard, and I use this chemical gum that is very strong, chemical gum. So I hope you love these, and I hope you've learned 1 or 2 things from my videos. I always post what I do to get these videos, and I do not have all the time to do a full video like tutorial, but I tend to do voice notes to show you everything I do. Thank you so much.